In this video, I'm going to show you how to record a voiceover in Audacity with the Fifine microphone. Audacity is a free audio editing software. You can find a download link in the description below. First, set up the microphone by plugging in the USB cable. And position the microphone so that it's facing you. The front of the microphone is where the volume knob is, so you'll want that facing your mouth. Also, be sure to position the microphone so it's not too far away from you. The closer the microphone is to you, the better it'll sound. Next, open Audacity and select the microphone by going to the drop-down menu next to the microphone icon. Select USB PNP audio device. That's the Fifine microphone. Before we actually start recording, we'll set the audio levels. To do this, click on the audio monitoring bar. This will start showing a level of how loud you're speaking. To adjust the volume, grab the microphone volume knob and turn it left or right. We want the volume to be right around -12, so I'm going to lower the volume knob until the highest that bar goes is -12. To record, press the red record button. Now your voice is being recorded by Audacity. To stop the recording, press the stop button. If you want to pick up recording from where you just left off, just push the record button again. Now your voice is continuing to be recorded by Audacity. If you want to delete a portion of the recording, click and drag with your cursor to highlight the portion you want deleted. After that, click the delete button. Audacity will remove that portion and adjust the audio so there's no empty spaces. After you have an audio track that you like, you can now export the file to use in other programs. To do this, click on File, Export, and then you can either choose an MP3 or a WAV file. In this case, we're going with WAV since it's a little better quality. Next, choose where you want to save the recording on your computer and give it a file name. This screen allows you to add some extra info to your file, but for now you can just ignore it and click OK. And now the file is saved to your computer. If you have any questions about recording with the Fifine microphone in Audacity, leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching.